Hi, I'm Neeraj Sharma, and currently I'm working as a principal automation engineer in PayNearby. I'm a huge fan of KodeKloud right now, if I'll say that, because I have gone through many courses of KodeKloud, and the one thing I love the most is the understanding they give that really helps us. Along with that, the practice sessions. You get the experience while learning and that you can implement in your project. So that is the best thing about KodeKloud. It's almost 1 year now, and yeah, I think it's 1 year almost, but I'll keep on learning things as soon as I get new courses. I've gone through many courses like CKAD and ArgoCD and many things, but yeah, as new technologies, I think KodeKloud also launched the AI section, so that is also I'm exploring right now. I've not used it that much, but yeah, KodeKloud Engineer and the KodeKloud platform, that's the two best things. Next thing is AI/ML. That is the next thing I want to see in KodeKloud, and more projects on KodeKloud engineering. Right now we have questions along with section-wise Linux, Kubernetes, but if I get projects, complete projects to implement, that will help us. Yes, I think everyone should check out the KodeKloud because I have gone through many courses in Udemy as well and Coursera as well, but the way in depth KodeKloud teaches, that is the best thing.